Go.
What day is it? What day is it?
You're seriously asking me that?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, it's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, February 16th, and it is snowing. Let's go ride. Look at this. For your safety, we've lined our walkways with chunky peanut butter. Leaving already?
Yes.
How come?
Been here all morning.
Okay, drive safe. What trail should we go down?
All of them.
Touche.
Sometime, like the spring, we all some fools. Like fall, we all false prophets. And like winter, we are cruel. I don't know what's wrong with us, they just made us this way.
Got some stuff on you. I think they call it snow.
And I don't know where we belong.
As they rise like gorillas in the mist,
What?
we see the native skier in his natural habitat.
You're talking crazy, man.
Every day you bring me pain and we savor it like rain.
So we are here with
Jim.
Jim. Jim, what's your favorite trail here today so far?
So far, Devil's Bit.
Devil's Bit's, where it's at.
Yep.
There you go. Take your microphone back.
Oh, gee, thanks.
All right.
Have a good one.
See you later, Jim.
Two of us are hung from the same twisted rope.
All right, go pack your car now. Video's over. See you up here.
I think we